If you're looking for a cost-effective way to protect your concrete floors from dusting, stains, and everyday wear, sealed concrete might be the solution. But it's not for every environment, so let's break it down. I'm Tom with Custom-Crete Industrial Surfaces. Sealed concrete is exactly what it sounds like. Your existing concrete floor is treated with a penetrating or film-forming sealer. This enhances durability, improves stain resistance, and gives the surface a finished look, without adding coatings like epoxy or urethane. Sealed concrete works great in low to medium traffic areas like warehouses, light industrial settings, retail, or even garages. It's also a solid choice when budget is tight or when a natural concrete aesthetic is preferred. Sealed concrete won't hide imperfections, it offers minimal chemical resistance, and it's not ideal for heavy forklift traffic or areas exposed to oils or acids. For that, you're better off with a coating like epoxy or urethane cement. With proper maintenance, a sealed concrete floor can last 3 to 5 years before reapplication is needed. And the good news is it's relatively quick and affordable. Cost-wise, sealed concrete typically runs less than epoxy or other coatings, around $1.50 to $3 per square foot, depending on your facility's size and condition. And maintenance is simple: regular sweeping, mopping, and the occasional reseal. Sealed concrete is a practical, low-maintenance option for many spaces, but it's not one size fits all. If you're unsure whether it's right for your facility, we're happy to help you with all the other options. We'll help you find the right floor for your project. Just take our ideal flooring solution quiz or request a quote right on the website. It's quick and gives you a solid start to your project.